Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel, Nursing Made Easy. In this video, we are going to discuss about drug dosage calculation for pediatrics. In my previous video, I have given drug dosage calculation for adults formula in my part 1 video. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. I have given the link in description box. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the topic. The drug dosage calculation formula for pediatrics is different from that of adults. You have to calculate very carefully the drug dosage calculation for pediatrics in order to avoid overdosage. The calculation is based on age of the child as well as weight of the child. Based on age of the child, you have two formulas, and based on weight of the child, you have one formula. So, basically, there are three rules for calculating the dosage of drug for pediatrics. Let us see what it is. See, when you go to a bank, they will be asking to submit KYC details, that is, know your customer details. Similarly, to remember the drug dosage calculation formula rules, you can remember FYC. Instead of KYC, remember FYC. F is Freud's rule. Y is Young's rule. C is Clark's rule. F is Freud's rule. Y is Young's rule and C is Clark's rule. So how they are calculating the drug dosage for pediatrics? Pediatric drug dose can be calculated in three ways. So the main classification will be based on the age of the child and based on weight of the child. So based on age of the child, you have two formulas, and based on weight of the child, you have one formula. So based on age of the child in months, that is, suppose if the child is an infant, that is less than 1 year, you have to use Freud's rule. The formula for Freud's rule is age of the child in months divided by 150 into adult dose. Age of the child in months divided by 150 into adult dose. Suppose if the child is more than 1 year, you have to calculate the dose based on age of the child in years. The rule here is Young's rule, and the formula for Young's rule is age of the child in years divided by age of the child in years plus 12 into adult dose. I repeat, age of the child in years divided by age of the child in years plus 12 into adult dose. So we have seen two formulas based on the age of the child in months. That is, for infants you have to apply Freud's rule, and for children more than 1 year you have to apply Young's rule. Then we will see based on the weight of the child what is the formula. Okay, based on weight of the child in pounds, you have to apply Clark's rule. The formula for Clark's rule is weight of the child in pounds divided by 150 into adult dose. Weight of the child in pounds divided by 150 into adult dose. See here, in India, we are calculating the weight of the individual in kgs. But in abroad and all, if you ask weight, they will be telling in pounds. So here, you have to convert kg into pounds. For example, 1 kg is equal to 2.2 pounds I have given. The formula is 1 kg is equal to 2.2 pounds. So suppose if the child is 11 kgs, if the child is 11 kgs, 11 into 2.2 is equal to 24.2. So you have to apply this in the formula. You should not apply 11 into adult dose divided by 150. The drug dosage will be wrong. So convert the 11 kg into pounds. So when you are converting 11 kg into pounds, it becomes 24.2 2. So you have to apply 24.2 divided by 150 into adult dose. So we have seen based on age of the child what is the formula. You have two formulas. If it is in months means you should use Freud's rule. If it is in years means you should use Young's rule. If it is based on weight of the child, convert the weight of the child if it is given in kg into pounds and apply Clark's rule, that is weight of the child in pounds divided by 150 into adult dose. Hope it's clear for you all. Now it's easy for you to calculate the pediatric drug dosage calculation using these basic three formulas, whichever is applicable to you. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. If you have not watched my previous videos, I have given the link in description box. Please go and watch it. In my next video, I will be posting some examples related to pediatric drug dosage calculation using the formulas what we have discussed in this video. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.